Welcome students to PSYC335M Introduction to Statistics. My name is Dr. Joel Fredrickson. I chair the psychology department here at Bethel University and have taught this statistics course a number of times. And I look forward to working with you this summer in this online format. Online learning, particularly for statistics, creates some unique challenges, and so I'm here to help you work through those challenges for the course. So the number one thing I have to say to you I'll say it at the beginning, I'll say it at the end, is contact me with questions. If you're not sure about something, contact me with questions. And one of the dangerous things with this course sometimes is that you might at some point feel really confused about what's happening. It's fine. Don't feel like you're stupid or something. You're not. It's the things can be confusing at different times, and oftentimes the anxiety makes us so that we miss things that are actually easier for us. So just contact me with the questions that you may have regarding the course. So let me just quickly take you through some different aspects of the course. And so the first here is that you have this electronic textbook. So what's unusual about this class is you're saving a ton of money because you don't have to buy a text. We're going to be using this text from Dr. Adam Johnson. So this is saving you about $200 to $250 right there. And so you'll be able to use this either electronically, just download the PDF that's right here, or you can also print this out. It's okay. He gives you permission to be able to print it out. If you want it in a bound form, the only place you might be able to do that is to take it to Bethel Print Services. So if you're in the Twin Cities area, you could do that. And so of course there'd be a little bit of cost to that. I think it's usually about $20 to be able to do that. But if you just want to print it out in your home computer or different aspects of it, that's perfectly fine to be able to do. So that's your main statistics text for the course. And then we also have this other text from Dr. Carol Young, an electronic text on Introduction to Experimental Design. We're really just using that a chapter or so out of that for the first week. But again, she was gracious enough to allow us to be able to use that. An aspect of this text, the statistics textbook, one thing that's a strength and a weakness about it is that it's concise. It's far more concise than a lot of other statistics textbooks. So that can be a strength in terms of you don't have to weed through a number of things, but it can be a weakness because it doesn't give maybe as many examples as you might get from another textbook. And so what I've done related to that is added for you some videos down here to help supplement that. So the videos here, the videos that have that little symbol there, those are videos that I've created that'll really help you through the homework. They'll help you some with the quizzes too, but they're really designed to help you with the homework. So definitely watch that video before it is that you start working on your homework. These other videos I have here that I found that are online, these are a supplement to the text. So if you're somebody who learns maybe better by listening and seeing something, use these videos to help you through some of the material. There's not as many videos for this first module, but in module 2 you'll see I've got a few more videos set up, and there's a number of different videos here on central tendency, a number of videos on variance and standard deviation, and those are going to help you a lot with the quizzes actually. So again, and if you're someone who needs to listen and hear something before you can actually get a lot out of your reading, then watch the videos first before it is that you read chapter 3 in Johnson's text. And again, these videos here are the ones that are going to be helpful for you for the homework. One other thing that I want to highlight, so what I want to highlight is that there's three main aspects to the course. There are the online journals, and so originally I had that set up in the course to be due on the Saturday of the week. I've switched it to the Monday, as much because so 2 days later, there were a couple students in the class who said they're used to a Thursday, things being due on Thursday. So that one is going to be, this one is going to be due on Monday, and the two main other things will be due on the Thursday. The online journal is easy points. Do the online journal. It's just that usually I might have some questions for you to respond to, and then for you to be able to talk a little bit about what you're learning, what's confusing to you, or those kinds of things, and I can give some response to you that way. So definitely do the online journal. It's just easy points right there. You have to your access throughout the whole time is the practice quiz. I recommend taking that as many times as you like. It doesn't affect your score whatsoever. It's just a means for you to get maybe used to multiple choice questions if you're not used to multiple choice questions, and it'll give you the correct answers from them as well. You have your homework exercises too, so when you click on the homework exercises, it's right here. If you click on this is where you'll get the homework. You'll download that, click on that, bring that up, and so for the home, what I recommend here is that if you would, you could print this off and then write on here your responses to each one. If you want to type some of them, that's fine, but when it gets to doing some of the items where you really got to work them out by hand, you're probably going to want to write on this. So you write on this and then scan it and upload it and submit it to Moodle. Or you can take a high quality picture of it as well, maybe even just on your phone, as long as it's a good high quality picture of your homework. And then your other aspect for things for the course is the actual quizzes. And so you'll see the actual quizzes here. So these are the homework here and the quiz here are going to be due on the Thursday. Don't worry, I'll change this part now, so they'll be due on Thursday. And so for you, if you're used to things being due on Tuesdays, that's fine. You can still do it that way. But if you need the extra couple days for the Thursday, I'm going to make that adjustment. And so you just click on here to take the quiz. You'll get 2 hours. You got tons of time to work on this on the quiz. There's only 20 questions that are on each one, and you'll get to take it twice. Note though that I've got items from a test bank on there, and so the quiz isn't going to be the same each of the 2 times. This is the main thing for each week, is that you'll have an online journal that'll be due on the Monday. You'll be able to take the practice quiz as many times as you want. You'll have your homework exercises to upload by the Thursday, and you'll have your quiz that you need to take by the Thursday as well, 11:55 p.m. on the Thursday. And that's the same process throughout. You'll have your reading. You'll have the videos that I've made for you. You'll have the other videos that I found for you that will help you with the material, and then the same process as we go through: journal, practice quiz, homework exercises, and then the actual quiz. Same process as we work throughout the course. If you'll probably notice once you're on Moodle, there's some of the modules that I've made hidden from you. So you have the first 2 modules open, and that's because I'm working through those modules. I got some feedback from some students the last time they took it, and I want to make some small adjustments and really make the course a better course for you. Again, the main thing is, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and good luck in this course.